She's everything. This looks super pretty already. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you and I'm super excited because today we're making a slime smoothie out of slimes that you all picked on Instagram. I am so excited to see the ones that you picked. I did a video similar to this like a couple days ago, so if you want to go ahead and check it out, we actually made slime together and we kind of created a new slime together. It was pretty cool. Just go ahead and click the link up here and you can watch that. If you're excited for the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the Unicorn Fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you very, very freaking much. If you would like a comment shout out on one of my videos, all you have to do is, of course, subscribe. Make sure you comment down below using hashtag Unicorn Fam and turn on your post notifications. I am really excited to get on with the slime smoothies, so let's get started, shall we? Okay, y'all, so I asked you all on Instagram to choose between a couple of different slimes to add into our slime smoothie. You all didn't know, at least I don't think that you all knew that this was gonna be for a video, but it is, so I'm really excited. Let's just get on with mixing the slime already. So the first slimes to choose from was either Chanel number 2 or this pom pom slime here, and you all chose my baby Chanel, so we are throwing her in. We are sacrificing a Chanel. It's all good. She's here every week, you know? That is going in. I really need to poke her real quick. I'm sorry. She's everything. Alrighty, next one, you actually got to choose between two different types of foam. So we have the citrus splash cooler over here, and then we have comet candy donut over here, and you all chose the citrus one, so we're throwing this one in here as well. This one smells so good. It smells like orange and lemon sherbet. It's just really, really nice. If you're wondering as well why I got a small bowl or like a medium-sized bowl, it's because I love it when the slime smoothies go like all the way to the top and then you can just get to poke it like, oh, it's just so satisfying to me. Next, you all got to choose between two different types of clear slime. This one here is Coca-Cola. It even has a little Coca-Cola charm in here. It's super, super cute. And then you also got to choose between Planet X water. You all picked Planet X water, so thank you for saving my Coca-Cola because I really love that one. So this one is going in. This one is super, super metallic-y. Let me get a close-up over here right quick for y'all because a little sticky, but you know, very, very metallic. So we'll throw her in over here. I already need some borax. Alrighty, the next two up are Cool Lime Refresher and the Dragon Fruit Jelly, and you all chose the Cool Lime Refresher, so we're throwing this one in as well. This is a clear base slime and it has this cute little charm right here. I just think it's so adorable. I'm actually gonna use the charm to scoop out the slime because it's heavily melted. I haven't stocked this in forever. And to be honest, I kind of forgot about this slime. So we're gonna just dump this in here like that. And the charm is going in as well, y'all. This looks super pretty already. I cannot. Next, you got to choose between this basic cloud slime base and then this amethyst sugar scrub here, and you all chose the sugar scrub slime, so we're throwing that in here. Y'all are really loving the clear base slimes today. Goals. Just gonna plop that down in there. Next, you got to choose between a foam and a metallic slime, and you all chose the metallic slime. This is actually Fig Newton, and I stocked this a couple of restocks back. So we're throwing this in here. Like I said, y'all are just loving the clear bases right now. This one smells so good. It smells like kiwi and watermelon. It's like everything to me. So we're just gonna dump this here. A little slowly. It's a little melted, so we kind of gotta take it easy, you know? Alrighty, next it is Carousel Crunch versus Lemon Pound Cake, and you all chose Carousel Crunch, so we're throwing her in here as well. I love this one. I actually haven't restocked this one in a while as well. Look at her. Look at her. Super, super crunchy. This is definitely gonna be a crunchy slime smoothie for sure because there is a bunch of foam beads. We have those sugar beads in here. Off to a great start. Everything smells really good too, so hopefully it doesn't smell crazy after we mix it all together, you know? Next up, we have Aliens Are Friends versus Pearberry Butter, and you all chose the butter slime, so we're throwing this one in here as well. I think y'all kind of get the point, right? So this is gonna make it very creamy, that's for sure. Let's get this out of here. I'm so sad because I really love this butter slime too, but you know, sacrifices have to be made sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like swirl this in here like that, just to kind of make it look pretty and stuff, you know? Next we have Dr. Pepper Cloud versus the Honeydew High Chew, and you all chose my Honeydew High Chew, and I love you for that. I really love this slime. It will definitely come back. It's just super, super thick. Almost reminds me of Chanel, but this one actually has some like clay in it. So it's just like really thick and holdable. Smells so good, like honeydew high chews. Oh, I just love it. So this one will go, ooh, I'll just put it right here. You see how it's like filling up to the top? I love that so much. Now the last two I actually messed up and I mistakenly put the same slime in there twice. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw these in at random. We have the candy flosser right here, which is a cloud slime. And then we have unicorn pasta, which has like some foam chunks in it and also some foam beads. So we're just gonna throw it in. It's gonna be great, I promise. Okay, unicorn pasta is going in. As you can see, she is a thickie. Look at this here. Yes, God. So we're throwing in candy floss as well. And candy floss can go over here. This is gonna be a very, very interesting slime smoothie to say the least. I don't think I've ever mixed cloud slimes into a slime smoothie, so we'll see how this goes. There's gonna be a bunch of texture, that's for sure. Okay, so this is how the slime smoothie looks so far. It looks very, very beautiful, I will say that, but I'm just interested to see what kind of color we're gonna get once it's all mixed. Alrighty, y'all, before I mix this madness right here, I want you to pause the video and comment down below and let me know what color you think this is gonna turn out. Also, let me know what texture do you think it's going to be. All right, are y'all ready for this? I don't know why I'm kind of scared. Let's do it, okay? I'm just gonna... Oh my goodness. Some parts are definitely a little melted. But I'm hoping the other slimes are gonna make up for that or not. If not, I'll just like add in some activator. Oh my goodness. This is very interesting. Well, so far I must say this definitely smells really, really good. I'm getting some bubblegum scent. I'm getting like a black cherry scent. It smells really nice so far. I wish this bowl would just stop moving, you know? Let me live. Okay. Are we mixing? We haven't even gotten to Chanel yet at the bottom, but I can smell her for sure. Let's get, there she is. There's the queen coming through to save the world. Okay, Chanel, come on. This is gonna definitely turn like one of those nasty like slime smoothie colors. And I'd have to admit, I'm totally not living for it. Let's do a huge slime spiral with this slime smoothie. Let's see if I can. And I can, of course. So here is the final result after it has all been smoothified, if you will, and mixed together. I really, really do enjoy the texture, and the scent is actually very, very pleasant. It's kind of calming. I smell really like bubblegum, vanilla, and black cherry. That's really all I smell. It's really, really nice. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this slime smoothie. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. What am I doing? Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Let's do a huge slime spiral with this slime smoothie. Let's see if I can. And I can, of course.